Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can save your edited images and photos on Adobe Lightroom on Google Photos. So let us get started. Head over to Adobe Lightroom, access your library and click into the photo you would like to edit. I will go with this one here. So guys, what you want to do is click into this download button in the top right corner next to the cloud storage button. And from that menu, select Send to Google Photos. Before you do that, make sure that you're logged into your Google Photos account with your Gmail/Google account. And after that, you will be redirected to this menu. So here you can select, for example, the size of the image, like for example, with a resolution like this or that one. And after that, click into Connect to your account to get redirected to your Google Photos library. Log into your account and give Lightroom the permission to send these photos to your Google account. So you may select all of these permissions here if you want. Scroll down and click into Continue. And that is going to send your image to Google library or to Google Photos library. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.